about to do this? What's up, YouTube? It's your girl Des with 3S's XO. Thank you so much for tuning into my very first video on here. I'm so excited. If you read the title down below, then you already know what I'm about to do. I'm about to cut all of my hair off. All of it. I'm scared. But I'm gonna do it because it needs to be cut. I gotta do what I gotta do. So if you're ready to see it, then let's get into the intro. So once I was finally ready to actually start cutting my hair, it was really dark outside. I'm talking like maybe 8 or 9 o'clock that night. So what I decided to do was get my little sister's light, put it in front of me, and that's kind of why you see like this large glare and a lot of shadows in the back. It's because I had to make a makeshift light so you guys could see me. But when I was about to start cutting and I was prepping my hair and getting it all wet and stuff like that, I was getting very scared because I didn't believe that I was gonna go through with it. I had never cut my hair before and I was just so nervous. My boyfriend was behind me, he was talking to me and stuff like that, and we were watching TV trying to get my mind off of it, but it didn't even take the nerves away. Just like that, my hair was gone, and I was in shock. Like, I couldn't believe I really just cut off a piece of my hair. That is so crazy. So I knew I couldn't leave it there though. They always say like once you get started, you might as well just keep going and see what happens. So that's all I kept doing. I just kept on going. I kept cutting and looking back at my hair like, did I really just do this to myself? So I had to keep going. I just got the scissors and just kept on cutting.
Definitely going shorter. Okay.
Y'all, this was not it. I was highly disappointed. I had cut off that first layer of hair. So it was gone. And it felt good to really cut off my hair. It really did. But it didn't turn out the way that I had expected it to. It just was too much going on, I guess. Maybe it's because I really didn't know what I was doing and I couldn't envision it as the look I was going for. But I knew all I had to do was keep cutting until I got it the way I wanted. I don't know if everybody around me, because I had my mom, my boyfriend, and my sister watching me cut my hair off. And I didn't want to break down and be like, oh my God, I hate it. Because all I would hear was, I told you so. And I'm not a fan of hearing that. So I just got the scissors and kept cutting. That's what I came up with. It still looked bad to me. I was just so disappointed, but I didn't stop there. I didn't give up. What I did was I got in the shower, I shampooed it, I conditioned it, and I went in my room and thought about what I wanted to do with it. And I came up with this. This was really cute for the last 3 days. It lasted me 3 days. All I had was Eco Styler, wave pomade, a couple brushes, and a do-rag, and I slicked that mug back so nice. It was really cute, and I started to really like having the short hair. I felt a lot better once I did something to it, but I knew I still needed to go to the barber because obviously I'm not a professional. It was still uneven, and it needed to be tapered in the back. It needed to be taken care of. And that's what I came up with. I went to the barber, she tapered me up and evened me out, and I went home and added my own little flair to it. This is the final result, and I love it. I love it, I love it, I love it. I'm really, this short hair is really growing on me. Like, seriously, I'm in love with me having short hair. Everybody around me is still trying to get used to it, but I am super used to it, and I'm in love with it. My initial idea when I cut my hair was to grow it out because I wanted to see how fast it would grow, but now I'm thinking about keeping it short. So we'll see how long that lasts. Of course, I'll have more content coming to you guys pretty soon, and some of it will be on my short hair, a couple natural things, but other than that, I got some really nice content coming for y'all. So be sure to like, comment, and subscribe down below. Don't forget, and I will see you next time.